Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we will learn to blend more CVC words with the short vowel sound. Ah, ah. Before we start blending, let's revise the sounds we will be blending today. Repeat each sound after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Ah, ah, bo, bo, hmm, hmm, g, g, s, er, er, mm, mm. Now it is blending time. Follow my lead as we blend together. We are going to pronounce each sound. S, then we put them together. Fun. To read each CVC word. Follow my lead. Let's read together. Are you ready? Let's go. Ah, mm. Now let's blend it. Fun. One more time. Fun. Now let's say it faster. Fun. And the last time. Fun. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. B. Ah. Mm. Now let's blend it. Bun. One more time. Bun. Now let's say it faster. Bun. One more time. Bun. Good job. You're doing amazing. Let's try to blend this word. Er. Ah. Mm. Run. Run. Let's say it faster. Run. One more time. Run. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Say it sound after me. Ah. In. Sun. Let's say it faster. sun. One more time. Sun. Good job. Sun. You're doing amazing. Let's try and blend this word. Uh. Now let's blend it together. Cat. One more time. Cat. Let's say it faster. Cat. One more time. Cat. You're doing amazing. Now let's try and blend this word. Say each sound after me. A. Now let's blend it. Hat. One more time. Hat. Let's say it faster. Hat. One more time. Hat. Good job. You're doing amazing. Now let's blend this word. Say each sound after me. Mm. A. Ts. Now let's blend it. Na. One more time. Not. 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 Now let's try and blend this word. Mm. A. Mm. Mom. 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 One more time. Mom. You're doing amazing. Mom. Now let's try and blend this word. G. A. Mm. Gum. 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 One more time. Gum. Gum. Good job. Now let's try to blend this word. A. Mm. Now let's blend it. Hum. Hum. One more time. Hum. Hum. Good job. Now let's blend this word. a, mm. Now let's blend it. Some. One more time. Some. One more time. Some. Some. Wow, you did amazing. Great job. Now you're going to read fun sentences together. I want you to read each sentence after me. Are you ready? The dog ate the bun. I have fun at school. The cup ran. The sun is hot. Cut the paper. A car is at the hut. The nut is in the jug. I love my mom. Chew the gum slowly. Hum a happy song. Let's sum up the fun. Great job, superstar. You did amazing. You're able to read fun sentences. Now, let's revise the words we learned today. Repeat each word after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Fun. Bun. Run. Cut. Hot. Nut. Mom. Gum. Gum. Hum. And some. Wow, good job, superstars. You did amazing. If you had fun, come back for more CVC fun. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.